Class 9 Geography, Chapter Natural Regions of the World, Part 2. In this chapter, today, we will study about tropical desert region. Most of the world's hot deserts lie within the latitude 15 degrees north to 30 degrees north and south. They occupy the western margins of the continent in the belt of permanent trade winds. The only exception is the Sahara Desert, which extends from west coast right across the continent into southwest Asia. This is because the trade winds blowing from northeast to southwest shed their moisture to the east, and the western margins are left dry. Areas or regions. The most important regions having this type of climate are the Sahara Desert, the Arabian Desert, Iranian and Thar Desert, Australian Desert, the Kalahari and Namibia Desert, the Atacama Desert and the California and Mexico Desert. Temperature. In the hot desert type of climate, the highest insolation and highest temperature are recorded. There is no evaporation and there are no clouds and no water vapor to absorb it. Therefore, highest day temperatures are recorded in the day and lowest temperatures are recorded at the night. As a result, the diurnal range of temperature, the highest in the desert, the highest recorded is 41.7 degrees Celsius. Annual range of temperature is 17.22 degrees Celsius. During summer, the coastal deserts record comparatively lower temperature as compared to inland deserts, which are extremely hot. Dust storms are common in these regions. Precipitation. Scanty rainfall, usually less than 12 centimeter, is the characteristic feature of hot desert type of climate. As a result, rate of evaporation is higher than precipitation. Relative humidity is only 10%, but during night it may rise a little. Because of intense heating of the land in the daytime, convectional currents are set up, because of which strong winds are produced. Characteristic features of tropical desert type of climate. Rain rarely falls, and average rainfall is usually below 12 centimeter. Sometimes there may be a sudden torrential downpour due to depression, which may cause temporary floods. The average temperature varies from 29 degrees Celsius in hot season to 10 degrees Celsius in cool season. Absence of clouds causes temperature to rise up to 49 degrees Celsius at times. At night, because of clear skies, radiation is rapid and temperature may fall to 15 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius. Thus, diurnal range of temperature is very high. Natural vegetation. Desert plants can withstand high temperatures for long periods when there is no rainfall. Example, xerophytic plants. The plants adapt themselves to extreme drought conditions. Some plants have long roots and are tough or have needle-shaped leaves to reduce transpiration to a minimum. The most common plants are drought-resistant plants like cacti, thorny bushes and coarse grasses. Crops. In hot deserts, crops can be cultivated only if irrigation is available. This is obtained from oases, rivers or dams through a network of canals. In Egypt, Nile supports a population of nearly 25 million concentrated in the Nile Valley and Delta. They are totally dependent on Nile water for their agriculture, which is their main occupation. They mainly grow cotton, rice, wheat, barley and beans. When the Nile is flooded in summer, the overflowed water is caught in basin. With raised banks, the water is led into the fields to irrigate the crops. This is called basin irrigation. Human adaptation in tropical desert or hot deserts. Life of Bushmen in Kalahari. The Bushmen are nomads. They change their shelter in search of new pasture, food and water. They do not possess permanent land sites for cultivation or grazing their animals. Therefore, they have to hunt wild animals, collect fruits, roots, tubers and insects from the wilderness. While ants are their favorite food and are sometimes called the bushman rice. They eat raw or half-cooked meat and roasted in open fire. Their domestic animals include sheep, goats, camels and horses and constitute the wealth of the Bushmen. The Bushmen generally live in small villages consisting of not more than 12 to 15 families. Their huts are made of reeds and constructed in a semicircular pattern. Sometimes they live in caves or shallow holes in the ground. Their dresses are made of animal skins and they remain bare during summer. Their dress generally hangs from the waist to knees. Because of migratory life, they have very limited utensils. The cups used for drinking are made of shells of the eggs of ostriches. Bushmen use bows and arrows, spears, knives and various sticks for digging and hunting. Bushmen lead a very hard life. The male members are busy in hunting, while the females collect roots and water. A bushman can live without food for days together. They are intelligent and believe in evil spirits. The life of the Bedouins of Sahara Desert is similar to the Bushmen of Kalahari. Bedouins keep camels and they are a bit more exposed to the outside world. Life of Fellahin of the Nile Delta. The delta region of the river is composed of alluvial soil and receives abundant water, even though it has tropical desert climate. It is believed that the human civilization grew in the Nile Valley. There are hundreds of small villages in the delta region and the farmers are known as Fellahins. The life of the Fellahins is different from the Bedouins. The people had a settled life. Most of them are agriculturists. Each household has individual farms. The average size of the farm is about 1 hectare. The farms are divided into small plots and are irrigated by canals from the river Nile. We will end this chapter. We will continue this chapter in the next video.